I literally struggle with opening the most simplest things ever. Welcome back to my channel. So yes, I know I have been gone for quite some time, but honestly I just been stuck and I didn't know what to upload, and I just didn't want to upload some like random thing, you know, or some quick little, you know, video or whatever that really didn't make any sense. So I thought today's video would be a nice little welcome back video. So I decided to get another mystery bag from ShopMissA since you guys really liked the last one, and I thought it was pretty fun too, and like, hey, it's 10 items for $5, so why not? So I have it right here for you guys, and I'm wondering what's inside because you hear that? It sounds kind of weird. It's kind of heavy too, and it sounds like there's glass in here, so maybe there's some really good things in here, and hopefully it's not duplicate earrings. Don't like silver earrings. You guys already know in my previous video what happened. I got two of the same items, and it's two of the same items that I really didn't like, so I hope that this one turns out a little bit more better. But hey, if it doesn't, like I said, it's $5, you know, it's whatever. Oh, let me open it. I always have issues opening these things. Lord Jesus Christ. There we go. So I'm not gonna look all the way in, so it's the little top of the bag. Let's go ahead and open it. And what is this thing that I feel? Oh my god, what is this? Oh, it's two. They're chokers. There's a little blue choker with a pretty big pearl on it. And then a pink, looks like a holographic pink choker, which is different. I really don't wear chokers anymore. If you knew me back in my days, I wore chokers all the time. And this is basically the only thing that I wear around my neck, which is my necklace and my clasp ring. I am a little tempted to see how this looks on me, so I'm gonna try it on real quick. All right, here's the choker on. I feel like a little kitty cat, and it's very ironic because, you know, my name is Cat, so that's kind of weird. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it's kind of a bit too much for me, a little bit too extra, maybe for like a Halloween costume or something, maybe. But yeah, this is one of the chokers. All right, so that was the first two. Let's see, the third item is earrings. Oh my god, these are so cute. Actually, these are little gold star earrings, and this is totally up my alley. I really love little dainty stuff like this. I think it's so freaking adorable. I really like this. This is really good. We're off to a good start. I really like it. I really like it. All right, next thing, what is this? This is, ooh, another pigment, and this is from the same brand from the first mystery bag we did, from the brand Princesa. And this is an eyeshadow, and this is in the shade 23. And it looks like a little purple iridescent, and honestly, that is so stinking pretty. Oh my goodness, you guys see that? That is so stinking pretty. Oh my god, I cannot wait to make eye looks with this. Oh my goodness, I really love how that looks. All right, on to the fifth product. Oh, I got this last time. This is the same one. This is a lip gloss, and I'm not even gonna open this. I'm gonna give this away to somebody because I already have it. So that kind of sucks, a little double, but it's okay. It's alright, someone else will get really good use of it. But this is the, I think it looked pink in the tube, but it was purple actually. But yeah, this is it right here. Okay. Alright, item number 6. What are you? You are, ooh, more gold earrings. Yes, I do love the color gold. And even though it says silver on the packaging, it's actually gold. And it's gold hearts little dangly earrings, and these are super duper cute. I'm actually gonna wear this for sure. All right, next item, let's see, and it's a bow with some lint on it. But this is actually a little pin for I'm actually really like this because I do collect pins and, you know, like little pin buttons. So that's really cute, and I think I'm gonna put this on my purse. I really like it. It's a black bow with a little silver rainbowy type thing on there, and that's really adorable. I really like this actually. So far I do like this mystery bag way better than the last one, to be honest. All right, next item, I'm feeling a box, and it is the, oh no, another repeat. This is supposed to be a highlighter palette, even though there's like literally no shimmer in it. It's just like a rainbow palette. Yeah, so, and I still haven't used the other one because there's not really a lot of pigment to it, so I'll give this away to somebody too. Boop, right over there it goes. Let's see, second to last item, I'm feeling, oh no,
not this.
This is bringing back horrible memories. This is supposed to be like a color changing lipstick when it didn't even change, and when I tried to swatch it, it broke. It freaking broke. No, I don't like it. Already 3 repeats. Oh man, just my luck. All right, last item is, ooh, oh my god, yes. Oh my goodness. This is the AOA Studio Wonder lipstick, and this one looks like a beautiful shade. I have one of their lipsticks already, and that lipstick is bomb. I really love it. And I can't open things. Oh well, there we go. Ooh, this is a nice bright red. It doesn't even go up. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh my god, look at this. No hairs, no weird looking bubbles, and no metals. Just the way I like my lipstick. Do a little swatch. That is so pretty. Ooh, and it smells like cherries too, so that's a plus. That is so pigmented. Y'all see that? I really like this. Okay, now it's not going down. There we go. Okay, that was weird. And that is all that came in that mystery bag. Overall, I think I'll give this mystery bag a 6 out of 10 because there were 3 repeats and there weren't really good repeats. So there's that. But I did love the jewelry, the pin, and that AOA Studio lipstick because look at it. Oh, and the eyeshadow, that was really good too. I really can't wait to try those, and I really love the way that lipstick smells because it smells just like cherries, and I can't get over that. And it dries down matte. It dried down on the back of my hand matte, so that's pretty good. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. Comment down below on what do you guys think about these mystery bags. You think it's worth the $5? You think it's a good? You think it's a flop? Let me know down below. All right, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.